Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. Okay, day 2, greenhouse. Are we ready, team? Go! Team, are we ready? Oh, we ready. Okay, so we're going outside. The kids are gonna, somebody get the tools. Get the toolbox. The kids are going outside to finish working on putting the structure together. And I'm gonna get the ground situated so that when the structure is together, all we gotta do is put it together. So y'all, come on. We must dash. Okay. Well, we're ready right now.
Okay. Gracie, what do you think? It's bigger than you. You like it? Gracie. Gracie. You like it? Yeah? Pretty cool, huh? I mean, you're that stuff like that. Okay. Not all lined up in a row. That's hilarious. My ties. My ties are beautiful. Oh, y'all. I have a great idea. It's gonna be a single father.
Jackson tomato cages can probably still go back there. I think there might be enough.
What do you think, Gracie? Can you get on there, Mom? Wait, what are you cooking? Oh, you saying? Wait. Oh, I'm not catching much here.
Alrighty, you guys. So I totally got in work mode and forgot to film. But I will put in the window a little reel of us putting it together because you'll be able to see. But I do want to turn my camera around and let you guys see where we are thus far. I feel much better today than I did yesterday. Although we still have to handle the old greenhouse. We don't have the old greenhouse done yet, but we are making some progress on the new greenhouse. So let me turn my camera around and show you where we are. Okay, so we're gonna put this other rebar right back here. So we'll have 2 towers right here. And then, of course, we'll have our Vigo Garden single planter. I'm going to plant probably a tomato or something in there. These are all of our singletons. This is potatoes, and beans. All the rest of those are beans. And then here is the greenhouse. All right. So it is way bigger than the other one. It is a 10 by 7 by 7, so 10 feet across, no, 10 feet long by 7 feet this way and 7 feet this way, right? So it's given high tunnel. And then when you come in, because we went ahead and put fabric cloth down there, I moved that, there were some tools and stuff here. I went ahead and moved those inside of the greenhouse. We still have tomato cages. This leveler from Vivor won't fit in there. And then the sifter, of course, won't fit. It will fit, but I don't want it to tear the vinyl. So, because this is made of wood, so it is fine to be right there. So, for right this moment, I put extra planters in there. And then, of course, tools. And then everything that's in the old greenhouse is going to come here for the new greenhouse. So this area right here is pretty clear. We're going to move this berry bush. We're going to wash this down. That will also go inside. The grill is going back out to where the old greenhouse was. The wheelbarrow will come over here into this space. I'm going to rake up all those leaves tomorrow. So I'll be back out here again tomorrow. I'm going to fold up this shade cloth and put it on a shelf or in a box or something. So we got all of the table cleaned off. I'm going to rake all of that out tomorrow. Composter is here. I'm going to work on soil. And then in the next few days, we're going to finish by getting the old greenhouse down and starting to plant. I got to get my water lines out. But I feel good about where we are for now. The biggest thing was getting the tie downs down so that the greenhouse doesn't fly away. Way bigger than what I had anticipated. I'm excited and happy about it. I can walk in. I'm not going to hit my head. I can get what I need. And of course, I'll come out and make sure everything looks nice. I would love shelves, but I don't have shelves. So I just will, whatever I can figure out for now. I'll figure out for now and then make it work. So anywho, you guys, there it is. Nobody takes in any of the bags with the stuff that needs to go in the house. No, we just so ready to be done. This why stuff be all over the place and why I be out here cleaning, because they just leave it wherever and then they don't know how it got there. I am going to try to put the black table inside of here for holding stuff. I'm getting everything as much as I can in the greenhouse so that we have clear space. I do plan a side project in that side yard. I gotta price it out. I don't know how it's gonna work for me, but we'll see. Anywho, there it is for now. The greenhouse is in. I'm gonna go outside the garden so you can kind of see it outside the garden. So there's the garden. We're going to put that'll just be a sitting bench. I like sitting in the garden. Jackson's little rebounder is going out. We'll put all the water lines out. I'm going to weed eat. Jackson, make sure that the weed eater battery is charged so that I can weed eat some tomorrow before I start working in here. I'm going to be also working on the rain barrel. That's probably not a tomorrow's project, but we'll get to it. This bed is ready to plant. This bed is everything is ready to plant. So I'm going to look at my list and see what I can put out here. These will get plants tomorrow. The other vertical things will get plants tomorrow. But there is the greenhouse out into the garden now, and I think it works nice, right? Because I want to reclaim as much of that yard space as I can. I'll put the grills and stuff over there. But this is what the garden looks like. It's a pretty, pretty big space, and I'm just excited about it and for it. So anywho, there it is. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Bye now.